I want to ask, what is happening with political leaders? Politicians are so relaxed. This year, 2026, we are just 2 months away from the local government election, and I don't see them trending. I don't see them going to the people, making campaigns. What is happening? The only two people whom I've seen thus far is Helen Zille and Jacob Zuma. Oh, those ones are pretty much active. You know what? The DA, I know that, has targeted Johannesburg. Helen Zille wants to be the next mayor, and oh my God, Helen Zille is working.
With the DA governs, you don't get that.
But if they can do investigation, thorough investigation, all the officials that are working in this department, they are not only ANC people.
But listen, where the DA governs, there's no corruption. So why is there corruption where the ANC governs?
Okay, in my ballot paper, I will be alone.
You will be alone. Yes. That's right.
Yes,
okay.
Zille, I will give you a chance.
Sweetheart.
But bring changes.
Okay, my darling.
Bring changes. We are tired, guys. We are tired of many political parties. I'm just being honest.
I can see this blue
I
sticking
don't
out
see
here.
even one person who is doing the right thing.
Well,
the one that is why I'm a volunteer.
The amount, the time, the efforts that she's putting there in Johannesburg, you will tell that now the DA has invested in Johannesburg. Another person who is busy is the MK Party president, Jacob Zuma. He has now targeted the Eastern Cape, and we remember that the ANC got some very good numbers when it comes to Eastern Cape, and the MK Party for the longest of time has been trying to invade Eastern Cape there. But Jacob Zuma recently, this one is just recently, that he has went there and received more than 1,000 members of the ANC into Umkhonto weSizwe. So Jacob Zuma has shifted now his target to target the Eastern Cape, so that they will make the MK Party to be dominant there. So I will insert this clip so that you will hear his message and what he has told the people of Eastern Cape.
Kukula nge-16 December ngo-2023 xa esithi uzovota Umkhonto weSizwe, sasina izihalo kuba sibona sifumene ikhaya elisha esohamba nalo. Ndivumelene bana kwethu ndibulise nakwi-leadership ye-province ekhokhelwa ngucoordinator indoda enkulu, indoda kwenya laseBhayi, uMr Mbotheni. Ndirecognize i-region yethu esebenza kakhulu ngokuzikhandla, ekhokhelwa yindoda enkulu enesifo esikhulu, iphinde nemisebenzi yayo ibe mikhulu. Kubani ke uMahlalela khawuthi sifakezi isandla. Labala ngisizi khona basethi ikamphuma. Ukaphuza umuntu amadolo. Sifuna ukudibana nawe ngemithi. Singamaphambili abagoma kodwa sabekwa. Process bona kufanele kilo baba kumuntu yonke ekhona sibe sojoin MK. Bani sasa ukudibana namadoda ngolo suku sifanele emthathu. Kodwa simanga asenzayo namadoda engefane isiba akuphelanga leveni abesenye membership plus minus 1000.
So this was so quite interesting because when you remember in 2008 there was something that was said by the MK party president Jacob Zuma when he said that the ANC will rule until Jesus comes back. Now he is the first person who wants to dethrone the ANC. How things changed, and I just want to put it on record what is happening with the ANC, because I mean the ANC have all the resources that they can put down in campaigns and hire people and hire influencers and just do the utmost. And just do a lot, but seems like this time around they are so relaxed, and you know they are not putting their foot to work. They are not working, they are just relaxed, and you know I just see that no, this will backfire when it comes to the ANC, and they are hoping to win very much when it comes to the people. And you know recently the ANC had some difficult challenges, especially in mobilizing people. It seems like the ANC people on the ground, they have now becoming rejected in most places. It means that South Africans are more now fed up of the ANC. That is why I said when I made another video that the ANC would need to change some strategy in terms of dealing with the people. They will need to defend themselves and tell the people the good things that they are doing, right? But what are they doing? They are not doing that, and this is now the backlash that they are getting from the public. Watch here.
Malumti. Malumti ngeke bese silahlwa nguwe. Mankele.
Uyibonile newspaper namuhla ukuthi ithele Mara le MK ngeke kulekelele.
I mean, political parties must stop hoping that they will just do the Siyanqoba rally or Telatuba rally, then people will come in their numbers, they will bus people there and give them food and so forth, right? That is in the past now. That will no longer work because the real ground is in the work. So now those people who are going there to the ground, they are the ones who are supposed to be convincing communities to vote for their favorite political party. But now it seems like there's a little bit of advertisement or marketing or research or networking with the people. That is where now the loss will come, the backlash will come. That is why now when it comes to the polls, a lot of political parties will be surprised because they are inactive. What are they doing now on the ground? Nothing. As the result, that is why you'll see that those political parties that were dominant and they were most spoken about will have dominant, especially those who will put their work on the ground.
Ngiyabulisa thina sonke abaholi nabo bonke ngabakhona ngifuna ukuthi ngizizwa ngivuya ngendlela esimanga ukuthi size safika la njengoba sila sesihlangene. Ndiyabulela ntoto baba. Sipolisi uba sifikile ngaseliyotshona kuthiwa saphinde siye kwezinye iindawo. Loo nto ithetha uba siwazi ukuthetha yonke into, kodwa ndiyethemba uba sawuthembisa uba sawufika ngenyimini sihlale ixesha elide sithethe nentlupheko yomntu omnyama. Umntu omnyama usehlupheke iminyaka neminyaka. Bonke abantu bokufika kwelizwe bayabusa basenkamana, thina sibe sihlupheka bona. Ngiyavuya ukuba sithole ithuba noma lizoba liningi ngoba kuthiwe ixesha selambile. Ngiyavuya kakhulu ukuba inyameni ezimbalwa iphelile ndandifuna ukuza apha, kodwa-ke kwathiwa hayi kwathetha lokhuya. Ngabe sathi hayi wahleni ngoku namanje ubona sibambalwa nje ngomthetho ngabe ngaphi insizwe njalo vele zenyamalala. Kodwa-ke siphile nazo sithi hayi phile ngabe phile nabantu baphile.
And please don't forget that you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel. As meet on the next video, and I'm out.